Why did you fly up there for and not come down when I told you? No, stop calling for break. Where's that control as well? Are you listening to me?
Wasn't me.
It was you. Sure, I was trying to get you down. Don't even think of him. Don't. You don't. You dare say any bad talk, you're going to be in trouble today again.
Don't worry.
A bad thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Kayla, there's a new film coming out on the 14th of February, Bob Marley. There actually is too. Kayla, what are you? Don't even. See if you used to realise how loud this was.
No.
Yes?